In this video, we'll cover how to set up account for Remote Control Web App. First, log into the Web Relay Web's interface using the credentials, which are both admin. Next, select the Settings tab. Navigate to the App Remote Control and select the Enable Remote Control checkbox. Select Save App Remote Control. For security reasons, you will be forced to change the default password. Log back into the Web Relay's web interface and repeat the Web App Remote Control steps. When the web app remote control is enabled, Wi-Fi access point will be disabled, but connected via DHCP. Next, navigate back to the Settings tab and select the button, Apply for Beta. Here, select Sign Up. Then, if you do not already have an access code, select Request Access and complete the form accordingly. Next, sign up using your desired credentials. You will then receive a confirmation email stating your account has successfully been created. Finally, log in using your credentials you used to make the account. For more information, please contact us.